I will now continue working on my scene.swift.
First, we have over here up pick. This is only a name. Let's start with for position in point and parenthesis. We need tan and y would be 400. I need a similar that we copy and paste. Copy and paste. Well, this would be 50 and y would be 450. Yes. We need a curly bracket. Now let's pick one SK sprite node. This is a sprite. And now we would need to say, we would need to talk about what it is. It is an image named pyramid 1 PNG. It's a PNG image, actually. I have made the images that I'm using as sprites. Okay. And next, let's do the position. Pick one. The position of this sprite. It will be position. Yeah. And scene would be add child, and this would be pick one. Let's have the shadow. Pick one. And it's lightening. The value, what is this? Let me copy and paste. Yeah. And finally, shadow cast with mask. As I said, it's something related to the physics of the sprite. I mean, physics of the light, actually. And it has a similar value. It would be a good idea to study them, trying to understand what each term or each code means, and the effect that it will have on the app overall. Yes. I'll need another sprite, and let me just copy and paste that. Paste. Okay. This would be 2, and well, the position for this is and we would have -50 and y would be would be 400, 600 actually. And the name of this would be object 1. Like I said, I made the sprites, the images. What's wrong with this? We wouldn't need these two either. Yes, now we have our background, our camera node, and our lights, also our sprites, pick 1 and pick 2, and pyramid 1 and object 1. I did make changes to this project and added a few more codes. Let's review a little bit. We here have the sprites, pick 1 and pick 2. I added this play button, something like a mechanism, a sprite that would start the app, or it would end it. And this AKS, this that I will use as a sprite. And also this code is continued here, like play button under the function override did move. And also I added codes that would make the sprites move around or spin around. For example, if you look at this one, let move node up, and this run, also we here have run, pick one dot run move node up. This run is indication that an action is involved, the word run. Also, this is also related to the play button. So when you touch the screen or the sprite AKS, it would start or stop the app. But before I will run the app, I would need to make sure that everything is correctly done. Let's, for example, go to my scene .sks, and yes, it is my scene. And here again we have my scene. Let's check with game view controller. Okay, yes, we here have a game view controller.swift. And what about my scene.swift? Okay, my scene.swift. Well, it looks nice now. Let's see if what happens when we run this project. Before running, I would need to change the destination, product, and this is my iPad, or the simulator makes my computer slow, so I will use my iPad. You can see it here. And yes, run. I will provide a clip. It takes a little time before the building is complete. Well, it says it's running, but it's not yet appearing on my device. It's not working. Yes, it does. It does work. Okay, it does work. I think I put something on my scene.sks, and what that is probably something wrong with the starting mechanism with the sprite that starts it. Let me go back to this, and I will need to make sure. Oh, I have here mode, not that. And let me see if Okay. Yes, we have a mode here, and I think I put something else. Let me go to my scene. Let's run again. Yes, I can see that. I mean, it works perfectly. I have a star and two probably asteroid, and also a sprite, a mechanism to start and end the app. This ended the app, and at the same time has the capability of starting that. Let me do it again. Okay, and you can see the shadow of the pyramids, also the sprites that are spinning around. Again, one more time. Yes, it just moves down while spinning, and the way the shadow is cast, everything is fine, and it even gives the a feeling as though it's 3D. I mean, the objects are 3D objects. Thank you very much. I would appreciate it if you could please subscribe to my channel.